Hi, welcome to our channel, It's My Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Oasis Hotel here in Balibago, and we're gonna show it to you.
Yes, hi. Today I'm first day and we're going to this place, Oasis. I don't know how to correct say, maybe Shaira already say before. I'm first day go outside. It's for our subscribers, it's a long time friend from Australia. He always stay in this place. He said it's very good hotel, very comfortable. That's why we want to show to you Oasis Hotel in Angeles City. This is lobby. Nice place. Good afternoon. I will start video here about it. This is lobby. Waiting place. Good afternoon. This is pub, it's pub, yeah. Pub closed right now. Maybe from evening only.
But somebody is there.
Already. Okay.
You can go inside.
I can? A little bit, okay. Thank you. This is pub. Good afternoon. I just little bit take video for my subscribers. This is pub working from what time start working?
4 o'clock to 12 o'clock, sir.
From 4 to 12 o'clock. Okay, thank you very much. Nice place. This is menu. Cheesecake also. Blueberry cheesecake. Pecan pie. It's restaurant. Nice. Good afternoon. It may be from breakfast. Okay, thank you.
This is our junior suite, King.
How much this room per night?
You may ask at the front desk, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we're going to check the other one, the standard king.
Standard king.
Yes.
Okay.
The main gym and the pool.
Gym also. All the rooms say like we say.
The junior suite king and the standard king.
Don't have in one building, all separate building.
Sir?
All separate buildings.
Yeah, yeah.
All separate.
We have 4 buildings.
Four buildings like
Yeah.
this long.
Mm-mm.
Okay. How many rooms to?
124 rooms.
124 rooms.
Yes.
So big hotel.
Yes, sir.
So big. I want to see swimming pool also.
Yes.
Now not so high season.
No.
I see not so many people here.
Mm-mm.
But last year more people the same.
Last year more people.
More people.
Yes.
Maybe in January they come.
Yes.
Because don't have so many people. Today windy, but good weather, not hot, not cold, very nice. Excuse me. If guest pay for 1 month, don't have discount.
15 consecutive days, sir. The 16th day you have discount.
Uh-huh. If cash, don't have discount. Also have discount, or is total discount maximum? Cash pay.
Cash. Yeah,
It's
same,
cash.
same.
It's
Cash
the
and
same.
credit card.
Okay.
As long as you stay for 15 consecutive days.
From 15 days already have discount.
No, the 16th day. You can have it.
From 16 days already have
Yeah.
discount.
Then
Okay.
the remaining.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
For example, it's a American dollar, yes?
Yeah.
If someone from Australia, he have Australian dollars, can exchange money here
Yeah.
or not? Or only American dollar?
Only American.
American
US
dollar.
US dollar.
Or cash on MasterCard. Or cash, Visa, MasterCard.
Yeah, we accept it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
This is my also. Oasis Hotel. Nice silent place. Prepare for Christmas already. Thank you very much. Post box.
The guy you have at the gate, give to him for me.
Oh, what's it called? Arman.
Because there's so
Nice
many
hotel,
people.
Shaira.
Really?
Yes, it's so many
That if I
so
do
many
like this,
rooms.
then everybody,
Silent.
you better see. So
We can recommend it this hotel.
Hope you come back here.
Yeah, my friend or my subscribers.
Oh,
I will show.
I'm subscribed to you. I subscribe
Subscriber
you now.
already.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, exit this way,
Yes,
exit.
sir. First street.
Okay.
Turn right.
Okay, thank you. Smoking area here.
Unstoppable. Unstoppable.
What you need to say, Shaira?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Thank you for watching. I hope someone watch this video. Nice hotel, really. It's not so far from walking street. It's about maybe 10 minutes ride, or maybe 7 minutes ride by jeepney or used car. So it's easy to go to walking street.